Hey everybody, it's MsTrue Redbone. If you didn't know, now you know. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm not a secret. Please make sure that if you were previously subscribed, that you are still subscribed and your notification bell is set to all. We're about to get the cooking, y'all, for this Labor Day Monday. I have some chicken down here that I'm gonna season really quickly, and then I'm gonna fry. So I will let you guys see what that looks like.
Yo, it's dead in this town. You know,
It's crazy.
gotta shake things up.
Yeah.
For real. Let's go.
Quiet nights, there is no sound. Who needs a life with no fun around?
Alright everybody, I have this big tray of chicken wings and some drumsticks over here. I don't normally buy drumsticks because I didn't think my family cared for dark meat. I guess that's because I don't. But yeah, so I'm gonna season this with some garlic powder, onion powder, Old Bay seasoning, lemon pepper, and salt and pepper. Then I'm going to take about 6 of these and probably put them in the oven for my husband. Everything else will be fried, you guys. Oh yeah, happy Labor Day, true family. Yes, hope you guys are enjoying your Labor Day. I wasn't 100% feeling well, but you know, I made myself get up to try to make myself feel better. And looking back now, I should have stayed my butt in the bed because I'm paying for it today. But yeah, that's me adding a little bit of, what is that, you guys? I'm trying to look at the container. It looks like some steak seasoning because it already has, you know, salt and pepper mixed together. I did put a little bit of salt on there to begin with because sometimes it doesn't taste like I put enough salt on my food. And I don't, because salt scares me. You guys, I can't wait till we move into our new home because I'm having an open kitchen. This galley style kitchen, and the lighting in here is so freaking horrible. But yeah, good things to come in the future, you guys. That's some Old Bay seasoning I'm putting on there right now. Alright, you guys, so I just went ahead and flipped over the chicken and just, you know, seasoning the other side of my chicken. The worst thing you can ever have is a piece of beautiful fried chicken that tastes like nothing. So yeah, I'm just seasoning the other side really quickly. Y'all, these kids and these blinds trying to look out the window and always break my freaking blinds. Y'all just don't know how many set of blinds we buy a year. Okay, let's get this corn together, y'all. I love me some delicious corn on the cob. I prefer it on the grill, but that just wasn't going down today, y'all. So I took 2 pieces of corn on the cob in a piece of foil, season it with some salt, pepper, put 2 pads of butter on it. I thought I had it in the frame, I'm sorry, but that's what I'm doing right there. Put a little bit of parsley on it, a little bit of garlic powder, and I think I even sprinkled some, there I go, trying to get the camera right, y'all. Wasn't the greatest day, but you know, we gonna make it do what it do. I changed my mind and went ahead and add another piece to that because why not? See the deuces? So salt, pepper, parsley, garlic powder, a little bit of lemon pepper, and I think that was it I put on there. And folded these up and put them in the oven and just let them, you know, soak in its own juices and cook, and they were so freaking delicious afterwards. If you've never made them this way, I normally like them on the grill, but if you never made it this way, try it. It won't, I'm telling you, it will not fail you. It's delicious. Hey, really quickly, this is me just prepping some meat for my pizza casserole, garlic powder, steak seasoning. You just saw some fried chicken I was frying, onion powder, and garlic powder. And I already had some extra in the refrigerator that I'm going to add to that. Alright, so here's the sauce and meat concoction. For the pizza casserole, I'm adding a packet of the lasagna hamburger helper to this. It just gives it a good taste. Adding some water just to make the sauce a little loose. I'm going to add some brown sugar in there to cut the acidity. You guys, I had to do a voiceover. My house was off the chain. You could hear TVs, radios, people talking on cell phones, kids asking me for stuff knowing that I'm recording. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. I just had to vent for a moment. And then I wasn't feeling well. My grandson was running around. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Adding extra meat to this. Alright, and my next step is to mix the meat and sauce together with the rotini noodles. You can see that I've already spread them out in the pan. I'm adding some cheese onto this, and then I'll add pepperoni and shove it in the oven. Shove it right on in the oven. Because at this point, y'all, I'm tired of cooking, tired of recording. I'm surprised I made it this far, y'all. So, see what I'll do for the True family?
Black's father told me that Jared will undergo back surgery.
Alright, so,
We
you
reached out
guys,
to his friends, but
that was the
haven't heard
pepperoni
back.
on the
In Calabasas right now.
pepperoni casserole, pizza casserole. You see the fixings for the gumbo, chicken frying, everything, you guys. I got it going on all at one time. Trying to hurry up, get done so I can sit down. But he wanted to sit down with me and my baby.
Thank you very much.
That's
Coming up next right here, shocking 911 call.
Onions and everything mixed together with some bell pepper. Look at that corn. Delicious. Fucking delicious. That's my husband's baked chicken. Y'all, he maxed that. He loved that. It was so good. That's the gumbo. Hey now, gumbo. Ooh, look at that shrimp in there. Yes, honey. And I don't even care for gumbo, y'all. And then y'all gonna probably see me go over to, I made some etouffee for myself with some shrimp in there. It was still cooking, you guys. Yeah, it was good. Made a pot of rice. So I think they had a good meal, a great meal. Clean that stove off, girl. Clean that stove. That's my fried chicken. So everything is done. Done. Finito. Finish. Let me show y'all that corn again. It was delicious, y'all. I got my pizza casserole all done. Looking pretty. Real pretty. Yes. What else we got? That's everything. All done. Girl, get them spots off that stove. That's my etouffee. That's my serving, y'all. That's all I can eat right there. Pizza, lasagna, chicken, and corn. Look how that looks. I'm gonna have to go get some leftovers. Thank you guys, and have a great rest of your Labor Day. Bye.